Hello everybody, this is my government, and today I want to get you an update on the Sargent door closers that I adjusted. Now I have some good news for you. In the last video, the arm was loose. Well, the maintenance people here finally came around and they fixed it. They put the arm on and did a pretty good job with it. See, we'll get you close up. They did a pretty good job with it. Now, the one thing they forgot to do though that I did was I found the arm screw, I put the arm screw in and just tightened it with my fingers like that, and so now it ain't loose, and the one thing I also had to do was I also had to preload this door closer. When they fixed the arm, they forgot to preload it. Well, actually it was barely preloaded. This closer was barely preloaded, like it barely even latched. Like as you would hit the latch, it would stop. So I preloaded this door closer a little more, and now she works. So we'll move this stool out of the way so we can do a demonstration. And here's the speeds that the maintenance people have adjusted this door closer at. I'm kind of fond of them because this door has a latch. See? Door closer has a faster latch. And it ensures this door will latch, even though it will latch with this thing.